for today. So I cut out the rest of that floor panel. I started laying in the new one. And so what I've done here is this. It's going to sit over top of here, over top of the old one right here. And then I'll weld and then blend it down and around, except for up here. This will be down and flush, and so that'll get butt welded across. So yeah, so I got to take a few more measurements on the cab, mount in the corner over here, and where the center is here to make sure that evenly matches up. But that'll be about ready to tack in. So I've got the vertical brace, the horizontal brace. There's the direct sheet metal firewall. I got that just clamped in. I still have to fix the problem over here on the passenger side cab mount. I'll get to that maybe tomorrow or later on this week. But for the most part, what you see is what you get. I did run into a couple issues though. This direct sheet metal firewall setup is very trim to fit. As you can see here, that's nowhere near fitting. So back here, like I said, I was going to have to trim some off of this because I'm not using the whole kit. But in the front, this right here doesn't line up at all. Like, not even close to lining up. So that's going to have to get trimmed right there in that piece. So I'm going to have to, what I'll do is I'll cut across the top, trim that down and around to fit, and then I'm going to have to trim this corner over here to fit, and then that flange down on the bottom will get spot welded to the bottom of the floor pan. So far, that, I think that takes care of it. I'll have to clean up and hit that with the sander in order to prime it and everything beforehand. So everything fits pretty well with the firewall. I do have one little issue. So the top of the firewall is sitting in a little. I'll have to see if I can press that out. Over here on this side and over here on this side, it's flush on both sides. But as you come through the middle, it's sitting in about 1/4 of an inch. It's not a big deal. I think I can work with it, and I can make it work. So I'm not too worried about that. So I think, yeah, so I think that'll be it.